In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and customize a balance sheet in QuickBooks with just a few simple steps. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by your financial statements or just want a quick and easy way to create a balance sheet, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by first navigating to QuickBooks. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see the main menu, which includes various options like dashboard, sales, expenses, and one of the most important selections for us today, reports. Click on Reports, and this will open up a new page that displays various reporting options. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll notice a search bar situated at the top or center of the page. This is your gateway to accessing a wide array of financial reports available within QuickBooks. Click inside the search bar and type in the phrase Balance Sheet. QuickBooks is designed to make your life easy, so you'll find that it will automatically start offering suggestions as you type. Before you know it, the Balance Sheet option will appear. Select it. Now that you've selected the Balance Sheet report, QuickBooks will work its magic and generate the report for you. It's that simple. However, you're not done quite yet. Depending on how you plan to use this balance sheet, you might want to adjust it to better suit your needs. QuickBooks provides various customization options, allowing you to tweak different entries, change dates, and modify the appearance to cater to your specific preferences and requirements. Whether you need a simple report for a quick overview or a detailed analysis with specific data points highlighted, QuickBooks has you covered. Once you've tailored the balance sheet to your liking, it's important to save it so you can refer back to it later or share it with your accountant or stakeholders. Look for the Save option, which is usually found at the top or bottom of the screen. Click on it to preserve all the adjustments you've made. You don't want to lose any of those crucial modifications. And just like that, you're done. You now have a customized balance sheet ready whenever you need to review your financial standing. This process is designed to be quick and intuitive, letting you focus more on your business rather than navigating complex accounting software. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to click the like button or subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tricks in the future. Have a great day.